right, guys, you saw Blair's cocktail hour, her quarantine cocktail. I'm gonna make one for you today. I'm a licensed professional cocktail maker, and I've got all this for you. So first thing you wanna do is take everything here and just get it out of the way. And then you grab this, and you grab this, and you pour it in there. That's about enough. That's Matt's cocktail. So, like most of the world, I'm quarantined to my house. But luckily, I've got all my camera equipment, so we're just making videos. Right now, we're making Blair's quarantine cocktail. So, man, I hope this is focusing and not too close. So I'm setting up a whole setup in my kitchen. This is deciding if I use this camera or a big guy, because why not? I mean, I got nothing better else to do. Let me just use it. I mean, how do you feel about what we're about to do?
What, cocktail video?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm bored, so I'm up for anything at this point. About ready to eat this chili. Look at it. Would you look at that? Would look at it.
Blair's quoting 10-year-old viral videos. So you're gonna paint more walls tonight?
No, because it's gonna be dark and I can't see. I'm already realizing like I am gonna have to do a second coat on this, so just kidding. I'm gonna have to do the trim and then do a second.
Why a second?
Not like a
So today I learned that doing a shot while you're setting up to film yourself making a cocktail that you're gonna drink on camera, 10 to 20 minutes later, means you're gonna do 2 shots in 20 minutes. So you feel kind of loose afterwards.
Loosey goosey.
How you feeling?
Fantastic. I only did 1 shot and then a couple sips, but I felt great. I think our house looks great. I feel like you look great. I feel like I look great. Everybody looks great. I mean, quarantine.
I feel like you haven't seen the original Batman, but like if the original Batman, the '89 Batman with Michael Keaton, like he puts him. I wasn't looking at. I felt like I was looking at myself. But okay, so the original Batman. This is not even make sense. I was laughing weird. Y'all heard me laughing weird at least, right? So I can continue this story. Because the original '89 Batman with Michael Keaton, directed by Tim Burton, Jack Nicholson plays the Joker. And at the end, after they dance in the pale moonlight...
Have you ever danced with the devil in the pale moonlight?
Batman throws the Joker off a building. I don't think he throws him off a building because Batman doesn't kill until like later on in the comics. Oh, okay. She wants me to speed this story up. So he doesn't save him. He's like, and Batman chooses not to save. I think he saves Kim Basinger instead. And then when he hits, he's got like this laughing thing.
Spoiler alert.
He's got the dude. It's '89. If you haven't seen this movie.
Spoiler alert. Go ahead.
He's got this. You remember those like clappy like teeth? So when chatter teeth. Yeah. When he lands, those like go off, and so he's just like laying there dead, and it's like.
Okay, we got it.
Yeah, like that, just like that.
Oh, yeah. Leave me alone. Hey guys, make sure you check out tomorrow's video because we have a secret project, or another project rather. that we're working on, and we have been posting on Facebook, but we're gonna switch back over to Macaulay Mold YouTube channel pretty soon here. So make sure you go over there and check out all the videos that we've already done on there, and subscribe and hit the bell.